Thank you for trusting our company to manage your home. My name is Glenn Gurvitch, and I am the owner-operator of Florida's Property Management located in Palm Beach County. This is a quick 2-minute video on our onboarding procedure. My team and I manage over 700 units in Palm Beach County for local and out-of-state landlords. We manage all types of units, including single-family, multifamily, and apartment communities. Our group of realtors, property managers, and maintenance vendors will ensure that we take care of your property from day one. In this video, I'll review our onboarding process. Our pricing and our management agreement is listed on our website. We only charge 2 fees, a monthly management fee and a discounted leasing fee of 3/4 of the first month's rent. Other companies charge lease renewal fees, fees while vacant, startup, and cancellation fees. We have a copy of our property management agreement on our homepage for your view. Please read through it, and if any questions at all, please let me know. Once you have agreed to terms, we will send a completed copy of the management agreement for electronic signature through DocuSign. If your property needs to be turned over and made rent ready, we will send over one of our handymen to give you a quote to make it rent ready. Typically, this will involve items like light bulbs, carpet, painting walls, replacing blinds, etc. Once your property is ready to be marketed, we will send over our photographer to get the interior, exterior, and community photos taken to start our marketing. We will then reach out to our existing tenant base and realtors we work with to get the property rented quickly to a qualified tenant. We have an existing tenant database made up of thousands of inquiries from our website. Additionally, we market the properties directly to the realtors who have great qualified tenants as well. This aggressive marketing approach allows us to rent the property quickly to qualified tenants. The most important function of our management system is tenant screening. Tenant screening starts when a prospective tenant applies online on our website. From there, we are able to run a national eviction, credit, and national criminal history search. We also verify employment history, previous landlord verification, and conduct an interview as well. Once we find the tenant to be qualified, we will send the information to the landlord for a final approval and then begin the lease signing process. We use an attorney-prepared lease that is fair but landlord-friendly. I have another video that goes into the details of our attorney-prepared lease, so I won't go into it here, but here's a list of some clauses we like to use to protect our landlord's interests. Automatic renewal option, late fee provisions of $50 plus $10 a day, a hurricane shutter clause, lease termination upon sale, and an abandoned property clause. When move-in day comes, we will meet the tenant at the property and collect the final move-in funds in certified checks or money orders. At this time, we will explain our rent collection procedures to the tenant, how to email us for necessary repairs, and pay rent. This is also when we document the condition of the home for future security deposit handling. The first monthly statement you receive from us will include a move-in statement that outlines the total funds collected from the tenant at lease start. Depending on the condition of the property, location, and market conditions, and landlord's requests, we typically collect an amount equal to 3 months of rent from the tenant. This is broken down into first month's rent, last month's rent, and security deposit. The last month's rent and security deposit is held in a non-interest bearing account per Florida statutes. Tenants can pay us rent through our online portal at no additional charge. If a tenant prefers to pay in cash, they can pay at various retail locations nationwide for a third-party fee. It is our goal to rent your home quickly to qualified tenants. I understand that your property is a big investment, and our goal is to increase your return on investment for many years to come. If you have any questions, you can contact me directly at glenn@floridaspropertymanagement.com. Thank you.